Listen, people of God, there must be remnant in Zion. That is why I am crying for Igbo race. All my efforts to unite Igbo people together. Our people in River State, Delta that are Igbo, but they say, you know how my effort to bring them together. That is why we are praying for peace in Igbo land. Love and peace. Some of us that were not born during the Civil War, somebody like me that were not born there, go and read some history. What we need in Igbo land is Bobi Nwanne. Love. Because if trouble starts now, where are we running to? Igbo home is no longer safe. So we must pray to make sure that there is peace. One of the Civil War, we are not fighting against ourselves, but right now we are fighting against ourselves. Anybody that travel now will be afraid of kidnapping. So we lift our hand up and pray for Nigerians and pray for Igbo land that God will bring peace.
Amen.
That love will come.
Amen.
Praying that Nnamdi Kanu will be released so that there will be peace.
Amen.
Because I know that if he's released, there will be peace. What I'm begging is peace in Igbo land. And God will bless all of you.
Amen.
About time he fights on why is on here again. Meaning our chili oboda. Happy can you not hear it? Mother happy can you not hear it? Or ne isi opo isi ne ko opo bi anyu na hear. Amen.
Amen.
If you go, the other day I went to Canada embassy. I don't come nothing tell you. Chineke mere me bere. The whole street was blocked. You see the desperation in the heart of Nigerians to leave this country. The way it is now, everybody want to go. Even Ghana. Before Ghana, Nigerians tell Ghana must go. Now Ghana is saying Nigeria must go. Insecurity on the high increase. No food, no water. Pure water are equal, bottled water are equal. Do you blame the people where they are buying the material is high? May God rise to fight any hand holding this country.
Amen.
Nigerians, the best people you can ever see anywhere in the world are Nigerians. Nigerians are brand people, intelligent people, very smart people. But look at the condition. Every year, graduates are coming out, but nowhere they can work. Every year, they will go and sew their clothes. Youth copper. They snap picture. After snapping picture on with a youth service clothes, that is the end. No job. Some of them are people that study chemistry, physics, cannot see work. I pray for you, my people. In this dark time, in this dark moment, may you and your family survive.
Amen.
But whether we are in the dark time, we are in the dark time. Hunger is too much. I don't know where to start. This country have everything it takes for we to be the best in the universe. Minus oil, Nigeria have natural resources, thousands, hundreds. The problem we have is that our wealth, Nigeria wealth, is in the bank account of our both the present politicians. Ona asị ka m kwuo ka abịa nwụrụ mgbuo. Fere Jesus aka tụọ ya hijiri mana. Amen.
Amen.
Ama m ụmụ Anambra State n'ole, they will still be coming here now. More than 3 from Anambra and 2 Imo. I know how many million I spent. The last car the people dashed me outside the country. They are in the prison dying.